Hello everyone, welcome to the intraday. We're gonna see the Nasdaq, SPX, and Dow Jones and some special requests in this video. So regarding Nasdaq for today, we mentioned that we might still be in a wave 4 and a 5 here without invalidation yet taken 28k 811 here. We still of course in a bearish scenario where the probability is still higher for the bearish at 60% against 40% for the bullish, right? So we're looking for something much more likely to hit our green zone 27 or 28k here to reach, of course, this target as a potential 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So we'll see how this is going to play. Basically, I'm still looking for lower until, of course, we reach that invalidation. Now, basically, this impulse is done. Yeah, it's finished. If this is an impulse there, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, it is done, but it is very likely to be an A, B, and a C expanding flat here and then continuation toward the downside. As you can see, this is a potential wave B there taking the low and then pushing lower again. So we'll see if this is going to unfold for Nasdaq until, of course, invalidation. We cannot change the probabilities to 50-50 here. We still, of course, in higher probability for the bearish. Now for SPX or S&P, we are looking at the invalidation taken, as you can see today, 7,477. Yes, so there is a bullish signal here. The invalidation taken meaning we are at 50-50 here between bullish and bearish. That because, of course, you still have a probability of 1, 2, 1, 2 here, and then 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. So we're not yet directly making a transition before taking the pre-confirmation as well for higher, or I would call it even currently confirmation, because this directly will turn to 60% for bullish, and that because the 1 2 will be invalidated here, meaning automatically the double 1 2 are out, and that is a three ways corrective. We push for a wave 5 here for a new high for SPX, so directly 60% from the 7k 524 here, and very likely to continue the pump here for this diagonal. However, if we take it internally 1 2 and then wave 3 and then wave 4 and a 5, that's impossible. And this choppy wave here is something, yeah, corrective, I would say, much more than impulsive. So we gotta be careful. It might be our ABC there, and we push toward the downside again, right? So we still 50-50, guys. It doesn't mean that we are very bullish. We still need the 7k 524 to go into a 60% bullish there. For Dow Jones also still showing some strengths there. We're looking at the green zone taken 1.618 as an expanding flat. The wave C is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 perfect diagonal, and we are seeking here for something to push continuously toward the upside. A 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 is of course on the way as well. We still 45 against 55 advantage for the bullish here, and we're looking for a new all-time high sooner or later, guys. Yep, so this is intraday, so we're still looking for some key levels here. We're gonna see also our special request from our Discord here. So we are looking for today uranium, I think. Uranium, right? Uranium G. Yeah, spot junior uranium miners. All right, we never did that. So let's see what is it. Okay, it's a new chart and not a lovely one. So yeah, be careful. It's a corrective chart. It doesn't look that perfect. Meaning, despite that this looks like an impulse, but the low is taken. Yeah, it's another a warning signal that is a WX and a Y internally. I'm gonna explain it, but you are in A, B, and a C here potentially. Even the wave C is very hard. So why it is hard? Because if you are in 1 2, potentially, yeah, wave 3 4 and a 5, meaning your wave C finished there, and then ABC again, another expanding flat. So careful with this one. It's not a really cool one. Yeah, so you have a WX and a Y here, a WX and a wave Y to finish here, potential wave A, and you have the wave B over there, and then wave C can be finished, or something else is still unfolding as a zigzag here, and you're looking for something as diagonal. If that is the case, meaning like a 1 2 3 4 5, a larger wave C there, Very tricky chart, not recommended, and very risky because there is no direction in the all-time history. So be careful with this one. Now, if you want to talk about a little bit lower time frame, well, okay, it's an expanding flat here, three ways down, three ways up, and you're looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. By all means, if you're looking for a target there, that might be very close to an end here, wave C expanding flat. You're looking for 1.618, potentially, of course, in this diagonal. But yeah, again, not recommended chart, so be careful from it. It's very, very corrective. Yep, so this is regarding uranium G and MU. So MU, we're gonna see this one micro technology or micron technology. We did that several times before. It's a nice chart, not bad. We have an impulse, clear impulse, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Direction of the market is upward. That is a very nice chart. Wave A or a wave 1, AB, and a C wave B or a wave 2 finished. And we're looking at double 1, 2 here. And even another 1, 2 as well, where you have a leading diagonal. Wave 3 start to unfold over there. Currently, wave 3 is done as per our latest analysis, and we're looking for a wave 4. Wave 4 as a perfect target would be inside this area here. And I think this is also the time already representing that area. Let me check. No, we need to adjust the time here. So basically, this is your time required for a wave 4 there. And that means we're still looking for lower before we push for higher again. Your target for a wave 5 can be exactly at this price here, which it is the 5/1 here. We're looking for 0.618 around the 6,966 here. This might be your wave 5 before you continue massively, of course, toward the upside here for wave 5, wave 3, and of course, continuation for impulse. So by all means, the path that we are looking for is kind of like a three waves corrective here in bearish, and we're looking after that for something to push for higher in bullish again as an impulse over there. Yep, so 6,900, but before this, watch out the 600 and the 400, between the 400 and the $600. This is your range here for a correction and then starting to push toward the upside. That was it for the intraday and some stocks special requests. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Welcome to KG Trading Discord community, the place where you get everything you need to stay updated with the market, get important community news, weekly reports, channel updates, all in one place. Be the first to know when a new YouTube video or member-only video is available with instant notifications in our Discord. Receive quick morning market updates before YouTube analysis for Bitcoin, gold, silver, and the US stock indices. You can request a technical analysis for your favorite crypto coins or stocks and join our communities for crypto stocks and metals. Get trading signals, entry levels, targets, and risk management strategies to help you trade with more confidence and more safety. You also get access to our trading view charts, Elliott Wave setup, and special KG trading indicators. You can join us through Patreon or YouTube membership using the links below. I'm looking forward to welcoming you to the KG trading community.